Hey, quick video today. I wanted to show you how I'm using some of the trend indicators inside of the Lux Algo suite. I've done another video on that too. I'll put that in the description more for spreads. But today I bought some puts in QQQ. A very small trade. Expected the volatility to be high. And I went with long puts. I was shorting. I traded 0 DTT out of the money. So it was really kind of an all or nothing type trade. And I wanted to just walk through the setup. You can see here are the orders inside of Tastyworks at about 9:55 a.m. That was shortly after the open. I'm in Eastern time. I bought 379 puts for about 98 cents, and then just started taking profits. The trend was strong to the downside. I took profits at 10.14, 10.15, 10.16. You can see the prices were increasing here. I wasn't really trying to hold all day. Again, these were 0 DTE out of the money. So any kind of snapback rally or even back to even, I would be losing money. So I really wanted to take those profits quick. Not a huge trade, but something I'm still working on with this system. Let's go through the chart setup here. I have two time frames here. On the left, we have the 15-minute chart, and on the right, the 5-minute chart. This is the entry here with this arrow. And basically, you can see that the trend indicators, I'm using the trend catcher and the Taki Ashi candles, which are displayed on top of the regular candles, similar to Taki Ashi. But I like these Taki candles because they actually create a line of resistance to give you some different levels to sort of play off of. So you can see here shortly after the open, we had a gap down and then we rallied back up into the trend indicator, which is currently going down. So this is a good place to look for a short. So I then looked at the 5-minute chart, and you can see we had this big 5-minute rally about 3 candles later, right? So we gapped down, pushed lower, rallied back up into this trend indicator as well. As soon as we got some kind of reversal signal, in this case, we got a large topping tail and we closed back below the 5-minute trend indicator. That's when I took that trade. That was the 9:55. You can see a few minutes later, we had a nice flush down. I ended up taking profits down here because we were retesting the lows and we got this kind of bottoming tail. So again, we could have snapped back and I could have lost all those profits, or we could keep going, but you know, it wasn't really meant to be a swing. It was just a quick day trade scalp. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Check the description and we'll see you in the next one.